Crowded.
To be a leader who is authentic and honest. I want to show people that they can talk to me and I will make their ideas and voices heard. And overall, I just want to be a good role model and a good leader, just in general.
Excellent. Give her a clap.
I wish to be a leader dedicated to spreading positivity for new, creative, innovative ideas.
Excellent. Love it. Thank you.
Where's the R-Hunter?
You're facing the wrong way! Huh? Which?
Hi, my name is Varane Ismaili. I'm an Academy Captain at QASMT, and during these 2 days my favourite activity was the lessons on character strengths. They definitely helped me identify my own areas of strengths and weaknesses and where I can possibly improve in to ultimately improve and for my leadership and how I positively impact other people and the student body. So yes.
My name is Jenny and I'm a house captain at QASMT Brisbane, and one of the activities that I really enjoyed about this leadership workshop was the 6 hats thinking activity. We really applied the skills that we were taught over these past few days, such as positive leadership and communication skills and how to provide constructive feedback, and we really applied these into action to brainstorm and develop ideas on how to improve our school's life and the well-being of our student body.